Good to have you back, friends. We have Daniel Learns to Ride a Bike, based on the screenplay Daniel's Bicycle, written by Leah Gotzik, poses and layouts by Jason Fruchter, adapted by Becky Friedman. It was a beautiful day in the neighborhood of Make-Believe, and Daniel Tiger was helping Mom Tiger in the garden. Suddenly, Daniel heard a sound. It sounded like ringing. "Mom, do you hear that sound?" asked Daniel. "I do hear it," said Mom. "I wonder where it's coming from." Daniel looked around to see where the sound was coming from. "Hello! Ring, ring! Where are you?" called Daniel. Daniel walked through his yard, past his playhouse, until he found Dad Tiger standing next to a shiny red bike, ringing the bell. "Ring, ring!" "Dad," said Daniel, "why do you have a bike?" "This was my bike when I was a little tiger," Dad told Daniel, "but now I'm giving it to you." Daniel gave Dad a big hug. "Thank you, Dad. Can I ride it now?" "You sure can," said Dad. "Let's put your helmet on first, then we can go." "Yay!" said Daniel happily. Dad helped Daniel get on the bike, and he started to pedal. "Here I go! Vroom, vroom!" said Daniel, giggling. Daniel wiggled and wobbled. He wobbled and he wiggled. "Riding this bike is hard," he said. "Riding a bike is hard," said Dad, "but keep working at it. Just grr, grr, grr out loud. Keep on trying and you'll feel proud." Daniel started to pedal again, slowly. "Grr, grr, grr out loud. Keep on trying and you'll feel proud," Daniel sang. Daniel wiggled and he wobbled. He wobbled and he wiggled. And then slowly, he started to move forward. "I'm doing it!" shouted Daniel proudly. "I'm riding my bike!" "Dad, can I ride my bike all the way to the park?" asked Daniel. "Okay," said Dad. "Let's go." Daniel rode his bike until he came to the bottom of a big hill. "Uh-oh," said Daniel. "How do I go up this big hill?" "Hold on to the handlebars and push hard on the pedals," said Dad. Daniel held on to the handlebars, and he pushed hard on the pedals. He pushed harder and harder, but he still couldn't make it up to the top of the hill. "It's too hard," said Daniel. "I can't do it." "Riding up a hill is hard," said Dad, "but I know you can do it. Remember, grr, grr, grr out loud. Keep on trying and you'll feel proud." Daniel kept on trying. "Grr, grr, grr," he said out loud. Then he pushed and he pedaled up and up and up until finally, "I made it to the top of the hill," said Daniel. "How do you feel?" asked Dad. "Proud," said Daniel with a big smile. "And look, there's the park," he giggled as he continued to pedal. At the park, Daniel saw his friends Prince Wednesday and Chrissy. Prince Wednesday's brother, Prince Tuesday, was there too. "Royally great bike," said Prince Wednesday. "It looks really fast," said Chrissy. "Thanks," said Daniel. "I like the bell." Ring, ring! Daniel, Chrissy, and Prince Wednesday decided to play on the rings. "I want to swing all the way across," said Prince Wednesday. "You can do it," cheered Chrissy. But when Prince Wednesday tried, he couldn't make it across the rings. Prince Wednesday was upset. "This is hard," he said sadly. "You can do it, Prince Wednesday," said Daniel. "Grr, grr, grr out loud. Keep on trying and you'll feel proud." "Okay, I'll keep trying," said Prince Wednesday. Prince Wednesday reached for the first ring, and then the second ring, and then the third ring. "Grr, grr, grr out loud. Keep on trying and you'll feel proud." Prince Wednesday sang as he reached for each ring. At last, Prince Wednesday made it all the way across the rings. "I did it!" shouted Prince Wednesday. "I feel so proud." Swinging on the rings looked like so much fun. Daniel imagined he had to swing on rings to get everywhere. Daniel, Chrissy, and Prince Wednesday took turns swinging and hanging on the rings. Chrissy could hang on the rings for 8 whole seconds without letting go. "Chrissy is really strong," said Prince Wednesday. At last it was time for Daniel to go home. "Can I ride my bike home?" Daniel asked Dad. "You bet," said Dad. "Riding a bike is hard to do," said Daniel. "But I girred and kept trying. And I'm proud that I did it. What are you trying to learn?" Ugga mugga. The end.